The next question. As a Deputy Commissioner of Police, what does a typical day look like for you? I'm asking this particular question because Bollywood movies are portraying police department in a very dramatic way. So that is why we see that way, that Singham style, working. It's a very good question. There are no Singhams. And what else? What other names are there? Simbas. Yeah, there are no Simbas. There are no Singhams. There are human beings in uniform. Okay, so there are no Singhams, nothing at all. But I mean, the Singhams and all, they are supernatural. Yeah, they are not natural at all, right? They are having some supreme powers with them. But we are normal, common human beings like you. You have asked about a normal day of a DCP. Right. So basically, once in a week, a DCP will do a night round. That night round is for what? Night round is being done by the police station in charges also, the BT in charges also. But there would be a DCP in rotation who will supervise if others are doing that night round well with, with properly checking everything that they are supposed to check. So that one DCP would be there every night. So generally in the commissionerates like Pune, Pimpri Chinchwad or Mumbai, once in a week or once in a 10 days, you would be doing a night round. And irrespective of what calls you have got in the night, the DCP will start the day at 9 o'clock, will be in the office by 10 o'clock, would be doing the police station visitations in the first half, would be meeting the visitors in the second half. And while doing all these things, would be doing his administrative work, would be also visiting all the important crimes, would also be visiting all the bandobast areas and doing the bandobast. It could be a VIP bandobast, it could be a festive bandobast. And in a normal day, would be ending the day by 8:30. If there is something, some special has happened, some serious crime has happened, then you can't define the day of DCP. It can be 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 2:30 a.m. in the night, 3:30, 4 a.m., next day 6, next day 9. It could be anything according to the situation.